So you have Photoshop open and you need to insert your image. So you can either file and open an image, or you can just drag an image over, which is what I'm going to do here, like so. The first thing I want to do is add some noise or some grain onto the image, and I'll show you what that looks like now. So if you go onto filter at the top, go down to noise, and then click on add noise, it comes up with this sort of grainy pixelated effect. So I'm not going to add too much, you can see it there. So if I go up here, you can see it's really grainy, so I'm going to go on about just about 25 probably. There we go. And next thing I'm going to do is add in an adjustment layer to make this into black and white. So I'm just going to click here to add a black and white adjustment layer. I also want to edit the contrast ever so slightly. So I'm just going to add another adjustment layer and just slightly edit the brightness and create a little bit more contrast in the image. So to add in the text, what I'm going to do is go down to the text tool here, and then I'm going to click onto the image and start typing what I want to type. So when you're typing using this text tool, it will just type going across sort of forever. So you need to press enter to create a new line, but you might have to press enter lots of times so it goes down enough. So I might just go back across and create another. So you see how it overlaps, and I need to enter a few more times. And you can pick that up and put it where you want to put it. So I'm going to put it about here. And if you highlight this, you can adjust how big you want it to be. So if I want it to be slightly bigger, okay, and you can also change the font to whatever you want it to be. And you can see samples of them all along the side here. So if I select one, I might make that a little bit bigger. So have a play around with them, see which one you like. Okay, so now I want to add a text box around this. So the way I do this is just select the rectangle tool, and I'm going to put this. This is why I like to do the text first, so I can fit the text box around it. So I'm going to wrap that around like that. And I want to change this to a red colour, so I'm going to go up to fill here at the top and select red. Now obviously I can't see my text through it because this rectangle layer is above the text layer, so I'm going to put the rectangle underneath, and now I can see that text. I would like to create a little border, so all I'm going to do is just select the rectangle again. The easiest way of doing this, go around that and create a border, and I'm going to move that behind the text and the first rectangle so it sits behind both of them, and that creates a border. And I think I'm going to fill this with black. And that's how you add your text into your Photoshop image with a few little editing tools.